If you're looking for a way to remotely access your child's phone camera to make sure they're safe, there are a few apps that can help. However, not every app offers the same features, and Android and iPhone support can vary significantly. Let's take a look at the best apps that offer remote camera access. The first app is KidsGuard Pro. One of its standout features is Remote Camera, which lets you remotely activate the camera on a monitored Android phone to capture photos or record videos directly from your dashboard. This gives parents visual confirmation of what's happening around the device instead of relying only on GPS location. For example, if your child says they're at a friend's house but isn't responding to calls or messages, you can quickly check the surroundings to make sure they're safe. On iPhone, however, KidsGuard Pro cannot remotely access the camera. Instead, it monitors the device through iCloud synchronization, giving you access to synced data such as photos, videos, messages, contacts, and other information, but not the live camera. The second app is mSpy, one of the most popular parental monitoring solutions available. Like KidsGuard Pro, mSpy includes a remote camera feature for supported Android devices. From your control panel, you can remotely trigger the phone's camera and capture an image of the environment around the device. This is especially useful when GPS alone doesn't tell the whole story. For instance, your child's location may show they're at school, but a quick camera snapshot can provide additional reassurance that everything is okay. Along with remote camera access, mSpy also offers location tracking, app monitoring, screen time management, and alerts, making it a well-rounded parental monitoring solution. If you'd like to know everything it can do, be sure to check out my in-depth mSpy review linked in the description. Last but certainly not least is FlexiSpy. If you're looking for the most advanced remote monitoring features, FlexiSpy is hard to beat. Unlike the other apps, it supports remote camera access on both Android and iPhone. However, there's an important catch. On iPhone, the device must be jailbroken before FlexiSpy can be installed and use its advanced features. On Android, it works well even on most non-rooted devices. Once installed, FlexiSpy offers RemCam, which lets you remotely capture photos, and Rem Video, which allows you to remotely record videos using the target phone's camera. These features give parents visual awareness of what's happening around the monitored device whenever it's necessary. So, which app should you choose? If you only need reliable remote camera access on Android, KidsGuard Pro and mSpy are both excellent choices. If you need the most advanced feature set and don't mind the additional setup required for iPhone, FlexiSpy offers the most comprehensive remote camera capabilities. Whichever app you choose, make sure you use it responsibly and only on devices you own or are legally authorized to monitor, such as your child's phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Spy Drill, and check the links in the description to try these apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.